Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I made a video here, and I just figured I would go ahead and throw this guy together here quick for you guys because it's been so long. Long story short, I picked up a 99 GMC Yukon. It's basically got a 350 small block or the 5.7 Vortec, fuel injected, carbureted, whatever you want to call it. Runs and drives phenomenal. Transmission shifts through all the gears. The only issue is the rear end is completely shot. So we're gonna be yanking out the rear end today. It's gonna be kind of a build series on building the rear end, just because I don't want to drag it out and have another, hour to hour and a half video. Even though my retention time has went up, which I greatly appreciate you guys sticking around to the end. But yeah, so that's what we got going on today. We're gonna pull this guy. Shouldn't be too bad. It's just mainly you're gonna drop your drive shaft, rear brake line, and then your U-bolts. Once those are out, the whole thing will drop. Don't be looking back there. We got some other parts I can't really show you right now because it's just mind your business. Mind your business. Okay. I'm definitely excited for this little truck build that we got going on here. It's gonna be awesome. Originally, I was looking for like a OBS style. Unfortunately, this isn't OBS because transition year. Okay, so 99 is a transition year to the next generation of trucks, known as the GMT 800s, and that's what Google's saying. Because a 99 GMC is technically not considered an OBS style truck. So, some food for thought there. But like I said, this is going to be an awesome project. It runs and drives, shifts through all the gears, phenomenal. It's just the rear end. So before we get started, I'm gonna kind of show you what I've been kind of working around or doing here at the garage. I got all the plastic done, so now we're able to keep some heat in here. I picked up a top chest, some other stuff. I found this old sign in my stockpile of shit. It was in the corner of the garage. Imagine that. I'm getting to the age where I'm starting to get forgetful, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the tripod set up, and we're gonna get cracking. Please excuse the mess. I haven't been able to take any trash to the landfill here lately because I've been so damn busy. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So we got jack underneath. We're gonna zip off these back wheels quick, and we're gonna get started here. Alright, we're going to set these over here. Right underneath the truck, just like that.
so damn windy out. You guys can see the come on. And them tires are all there. Heavy as hell. Alright, now that we got our built-in jack stands, aka tires and rims, we can go ahead and jack it up a little bit more. And yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get you guys set up here on the tripod. And man, look at that rear end. It's just pissing fluid. Look at that. Where is that looby dooby at? Alright, so all these guys right here, then sway bar link right here, and then this guy backside. Just gonna make a mess, you know? Just make a good old mess. Just gotta, you know, absolutely cake the whole entire rear end. Now, jack it up a little bit, like so. Give us enough room to work. That should be good. Since we're able to go ahead and get access to these drive shaft bolts here, right here, we're gonna go ahead and pop these guys out quick since we're right here. I gotta go ahead and pop the car in neutral here. All right. Was it 11? Of course it is. I knew it. I kind of know what I'm doing. I don't know. 10% of the time. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see me? Huh? Okay. Just using a ratcheting wrench, 11 mil. Get this guy off. We're just going to pop out these bolts. We're still going to leave the drive shaft kind of connected, if you will. You got to be careful when you're dealing with drive shafts. The last thing you want is, you know, to be ran over. So I did go ahead and nail some 2x4s together to kind of make some wheel chocks. Just, you know, yeah, gotta be safe. There will be some other plans with this vehicle in the near future. I can't really disclose it at this time what's going to be happening, but it's going to be some cool shit. You guys are going to want to stick around. You know, kind of brings the algorithm up, and I'm pretty stoked that the, you know, retention rate has went up, so that's pretty cool. I definitely appreciate all you guys, and I really do. It's awesome. It's awesome that you guys are, you know, somewhat liking the channel, and it means a lot for sure. So I'm gonna try my best to keep getting you guys some content, but my schedule's kind of, you know, my only free days are literally weekends, and half the time I'm going to the cities, so just please be mindful of that. But other than that, like I said, I appreciate all of you guys. So we just took out 4 11mm bolts, and that basically holds the rear drive shaft on. So come on, you fucking, why are you getting stuck in there? Why are you being like that? We're gonna go ahead and put these in a safe place. As far as the bolts and straps for this guy, since we're down here, we're gonna go ahead and knock out, well, not knock out, but we're gonna pop off the rear shock mounts and sway bar links here quick. I think it's 18, it looks like 18, 19. And sway bar link looks like a 14, if I'm not mistaken. Go ahead. I must have forgot that one. These shocks will be getting replaced at a later date, along with some other goodies. So, yeah, excited. Had to bust out the big boy set here, the old Max set. Huh? What you guys know about Max? I've never been one for, you know, stick with one brand. I kind of use what, you know, is the best bang for the buck. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on Snap-on, Mac, Blue Point, you know, Cornwell tools. Sure, they're nice, you know, they get the job done, but at the end of the day, you're just paying for the fucking brand name. Really, that's all you're doing, you know? If you can, versus, like, the other day I was looking at swivel sockets, right? $400 for a complete master set of, what is it, 3/8? No, it's 1/2 inch. You know, impact grade, $400, and I couldn't believe it. The sizes start from 9 all the way up to, is it 22? And yeah, no, I'm good. You do have a lot of other brands that are making names for themselves, like Vivor. I've heard good things about those guys, and I mean, it is what it is. I mean, if I don't know, I mean, I'm always willing to help promote other small companies or other companies that are, you know, I'm willing to support others that support me. You know what I mean? So there we go. Don't be like that. Okay. Oh, those tie rod ends are, or those sway bar links are shot. Those gotta be replaced. Is that 21? So shock mounts, the that bolt up to the rear is going to be 21. It looks like maybe a 19 for. No, it's actually also 21. Oh, okay. It's weird this one has a washer on the nut. Kind of weird. I don't know. Okay, we gotta pop that guy off. Come on. Don't be like that. Come on. There you go. There we go. Another thing to add to the list. Sway bar links. Look at that. Just roached. Poor thing's been on here ever since I was born, probably. That's crazy. Okay. So, this bolt's gotta come out. There we go. Come on. There you go, you. Damn it. There we go. Okay, so we got that guy out. Got the sway bar disconnected, this guy, and link, right? That's just disconnected. Rear drive shaft's disconnected. We gotta go on the other side, basically do the exact what we did here. Once that's done, then we're gonna go ahead and keep the jack exactly where it is. Pop off these, what are these, 18s? 18s, yeah, 18s. And the whole entire rear end will drop down and we'll be able to pull it out as one. We might have to screw around and disconnect the e-brake cables, but we'll do that. Won't take that much longer. So we've been doing this, what, not even about an hour my time, versus yours is probably what, 30 minutes or so. So go ahead and get to the other side here and get her done. Can't see that. Hello. Okay. There we go. Oh my God. That's disgusting. Alright, same thing. We're gonna pop off these retainer clips here that actually hold the whole assembly together. I hate drum brakes. Have I told you that? I hate drum brakes. They suck. same thing, these guys, hopefully you can see it. Other side. All right. Old screwdriver here. One spring. More. We got the bottom. Still good. Adjuster, more springs, all that fun shit. Yeah, right here. Why you? Oh my God! Come on out. There we go. Oh, have I mentioned I hate drum brakes? Ugh. Man, oh man. Okay. Next, same thing. We're gonna slide this guy back, pinch it off. Let's try it this way. There we go. It's gonna be enough to slide her on off here. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Yeah. Man, this just sucks. Okay, so now we gotta go ahead and pop this guy in. Twist it. Come on. Oh, wow, that one was much easier than the other one. Oh, thank God. Okay. Now, we're going to go ahead. Oh, we're going to go ahead and pop off these 18s here quick. And then we'll be able to drop the whole entire rear down and disconnect the rubber line or the hard line there. So, it's coming together. Takes time. We got this. Oh, my back. Ugh. Oh. Alright. I'm going to try to reuse these. Should be able to. Don't lose these guys. And these are called U-bolts. Nothing crazy. These guys on here.
tackle the other side quick. Where's yellow? All right, now we're ready to drop it like it's hot. The rear end of it. Try to get this guy out of here before it starts downpouring on my ass. You guys can see? All right. Only thing that should be left is brake line. There we go. Sweet baby Jesus, that sucked. Oh. All right, let's go ahead and get this cover tore off here quick. I'm not rebuilding it right now, just this yet. Like I said, this is going to be a video series on this truck, so I got all the parts and everything though, so we're going to tear it down quick and see what kind of condition it's in. Oh, it smells horrible already. Damn. Yeah, no, she is. It's gonna stink bad. Oh. Pop these off. Never mind, I guess they're 15s. Jeez. Try this again.
Ooh, look at that. Hope you can see that. Oh my god. Ooh. That would be pinion gear for sure. Like I thought it was. Oh. Oh wow. Well, that sucks. We'll wow, that's crazy. Oh, just made a mess. Damn. She is roached bad. Oh man. Well, suppose we might as well tear it apart since we're this far into it. Yeah, let's just check it out. I want to make sure spider gears and everything aren't shot, but knowing my luck, they probably are. Cap. We're going to keep the caps in order here. Left side, right side. Ooh, that is bad. You need a 8mm for the screw that holds the carrier together. There we go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take out this, what is it, 8mm? It's either, I think it's an 8 or a 9/16, 5/16, sorry. And it's basically a set screw. You're gonna take it out and then you're gonna be able to slide the pin out. And then you'll be able to get it torn apart. But before we do that, we're gonna have to slide the axles together, and then there's some clips you gotta fish out. I'll show you guys here. I don't really have that much light. Oh damn, probably should turn that one on. Oh. Yeah, I have a bad feeling about this. I just hope the spider gears and everything inside are good. Hopefully that's a little better. Give you guys a little bit more light. So pin should come out now. Hopefully. Okay, here's the pin. That guy. Sit to the side, don't lose it. Once you got that out, you should be able to. Oh man, these spider gears are worn to hell. Yeah, that's bad.
Oh man, that is. Spider gears are basically shot, so I'm gonna have to buy new ones of those. Oh, that's gonna suck. No, 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 no. Damn, that's a shame too, man. Oh, that is so crunchy in there too. Okay, so there's gonna be a couple clips. I'm gonna kind of fish it out here if I can. Oh, there's just shrapnel everywhere, man. Okay. So here's one of the. Hope you can see that. It basically retains the axle in place. All right. Same thing with this guy. Push it in. And then you'll be able to fish out. Oh, that is horrible. Oh, thank God. And there's another one. Now we'll be able to pop the axles out and get to the actual innards. Just like that. They just pop out just like that. Would you look at that? Perfect. Now the center section should come right out. There we go. Oh. Same thing, we're gonna keep the shims and races in the corresponding on the corresponding caps that we first removed. I don't want to lose anything, so at first glance, yeah, spider gears are completely shot. Looks like the posi traction mechanism is still good. Let's check out. I'm gonna pull this to the side. Oh. Go ahead. You guys can see that. No. So the rear nut is a 32. That's what I thought it was. Well, damn, she on there. All right. That's hot. Hot. Whew. Burned the shit out of me. Oh, she's just oh. Ooh. That is nasty, boy. I tell you what. And here it is. Old seal and old bearing. So, which doesn't look that bad as far as wear. Yeah, kind of loose, but it's all being replaced anyway, so it don't matter. So, yeah, I mean, yeah. It's okay. We'll get her cleaned up and we'll get her taken care of. So at least I know, you know, that I had a funny feeling that the spider gears or either pinion gears were shot, but it made sense because when I was driving it home, it just if you matched it, if you gave it some, you know, some stank, it would almost feel like the rear is kind of like popping out. And spider gears are fairly important. Last time I checked in the rear end, so I think it would be a good candidate for a rebuild. I do have everything except for spider gears. I got all new carrier bearings, ring gear and pinion gear. I actually have brand new, ready to go. New axle seals, wheel bearings I got. The only thing I got to do is just get some more spider gears, but that ain't shit. So, yeah, I appreciate you guys coming along on the little journey, tearing this sucker down. Yeah, kind of cool to finally see what the hell is up with this thing, and I just had a funny feeling. Yeah, I mean that's a lot. It's a lot of shavings and debris, as you guys can see there. So, and we still haven't even tore down the actual center diff, but I don't know. We'll see. I might go get a center diff just because there's a little bit of damage on the actual housing. Not a lot, but knowing my luck, I get it rebuilt, throw it together, and then I find out like the center section or something is cracked. I don't know, but it would suck. But hope you guys like this kind of content. It means a lot. All the new subscribers, all the followers on TikTok, Facebook, obviously YouTube. Yeah, it means a lot. My retention rates have been going up, so a lot more people have been watching longer durations of the video, which is cool. Yeah, it means the world to me for sure. But so with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cleaned up. I'll put all my tools away, and I will see you guys on the next one. I apologize for, I don't know, for not just being motivated lately. I've been having a bunch of crap going on, getting the garage half-assed decent set up, and just it's overwhelming. But hope you guys like the content. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Liking and sharing and commenting definitely helps me out, and obviously subscribing. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.